Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having extra options for customizable skybox in Unity, which called Skybox Plus. Okay, let's take a look at this package over here. Kjero shared this package Skybox Plus almost 6 years ago. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of this package and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we can take a look at this tests folder here. There is several types of skybox here. First, the cube map. It used a GUI layer which is expired, deprecated from 2023.1.2 my Unity. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is our skybox, okay, and now this is our teapot. Look at this. It has a reflection of the skybox. It's beautiful. But if we take a look at this cube map here, we can change the skybox with any color we want, any option we want. Look at this. And in here we can change the rotation. Even we can give an animation to this skybox and make a interactive skybox. Okay, let's take a look at this one. For example, here we have gradient skybox here. The base color is gray. It doesn't matter. What matters is a gradient 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, I give it yellow for the first one, and the second one is to be red. Look at this. It's red, and now it's coming a little bit blue. Excellent. And the last one is can be black, kind of, yeah. And look at this. Our teapot interact with the reflect the skybox in runtime, and it is so good. Okay, let's take a look at this one, and as you can see, it is just a hemisphere here, and look at this. It's kind of that one. It's the same as the previous one, and here we can. Oh, sorry. Map, for example. Look at this. We can change the map one. It is the same for the first one, but we can change the color here as well. Look at this. And the map is here. Okay. I hope this short tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.